Hello everyone, we have started demonstration of very basic widgets in Flutter. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the properties and uses of SizedBox Widget. SizedBox is a single child widget used to create a box with a specific width and height. It has mainly two uses: 1, to create blank space between two widgets; 2, to restrict the size of its child widget. Its properties are height for column widget, width for row widget, and child. Now let's check the example, first used to create blank space between two widgets. In the example, we have two widgets, widget 1 of red color and widget 2 of indigo color. We use SizedBox Widget to create space between these two widgets. Now let's check the use number 2 to restrict the size of its child widget. We created a child container of SizedBox having width and height 100. Then we decrease the width and height of SizedBox to 50, which automatically decreased the width and height of its child container to 50.